guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the June Boxycharm Luxe box. So, strange that they went with such a plain background. But hey, at least they labeled that it was the Summer Luxe 2020, which is more than they usually give us to go on. So, anywho, let's see here. We've got some good valued stuff and some lower valued stuff. Highest value in here looks like $65, but still, let's go in no particular order. Let's start with this big guy in the middle. What are we? Ooh, so we are from Elemis. So this is the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. Ooh, I'm excited for that. It retails for $49. And it says, deeply cleanse pores and reduce the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash. Specifically formulated for oily or blemish-prone skin, the non-drying formula is infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and daily impurities. Hawthorn extract to help leave the skin feeling soothed, and boldo leaf extract to improve the look of skin clarity. This balancing cleanser also helps to visibly improve the look of skin texture whilst minimizing the look of blackheads and post-blemish discoloration. Gentle enough for daily use, it leaves the skin looking clearer, less oily, and more even with every wash. That's pretty good. Cool. It's a good size, too, so I'm like, hell yeah. So then, from Rare Beauty, we have the Discovery Eyeshadow Palette. We'll open this and look at it in a second, but this is $29 for this little guy. It says came to play on it. So, inspired by Selena's playful side, these berry and rose based shades celebrate the ever-changing colors that we reflect every day. Discover easy-to-wear combos you don't have to think about with 7 rich, buttery shades and a range of finishes, from matte to duochrome. Oh, we have a duochrome. Plus a 3D glitter top coat, center shade, to add shimmering dimension to any look. Okay, let's get in there. We need to see it. Let's see it. I'm so excited. Oh, it's a cute little thing. Oh my goodness. Like, can we just appreciate the design on this? Kind of looks like a pill, but like, it's so cute though. Oh my gosh. Even the little thing on the back. It looks like phases of the moon. I love that. So our color names are No Likes Needed. That's for the center shade. And then left to right we have Always Worthy, Yours Truly, Go For It, Beyond Compare, Pick Me Up, and Good Heart. Those are such cute names. I love that. Oh, it's very reflective. So I will cover up the mirror, but it won't help much for around the edges of the shadows, so I apologize, because I know it's probably going to flash back real bad, but these are so pretty, guys. Look at these. Like, you can't even get, like, the true shimmer of the middle one, but it's, like, really, really pretty. Like, can we appreciate? That is gorgeous. Oh my god. I am actually really, really surprisingly in love with all of these. And perfect for, like, this time of year. Honestly, like, that is a whole vibe. That so works. I'm gonna keep this close at hand. I don't think it'll necessarily be the very next one that I do. But, like, I have the sweater weather one that I want to open up first and test out and review. I think I'll do this one, like, very next after it, because that is, like, perfect for this time of year. I'm even going to keep it up here on this table, because it's just so perfect. What are we? Oh, this is the expensive one. So from the Sommeil Institute, it's the Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. So these are the $65 item. 50 pads in it. Okay. Gently exfoliate and treat your skin, taking it to a whole new level. Transport, powered by MDT5, features saturated soft cotton pads designed to help improve skin tone, texture, and clarity, and an 8% buffered AHA to gently exfoliate dead cells on the skin's surface. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I, like, chugged a whole huge thing of coffee before I hit record. I apologize. I'm excited for that too. I found my skin is enjoying being exfoliated regularly, so alright. Alright. I'm getting less scared of it too, so that also helps. So from Dew of the Gods. Ooh, this is heavy. Is this, like, not even... Oh, there it is. I was like, is this not listed? This is the Fiji Fuji Collagen Whip Vitamin Mask. Like, can we appreciate how big that is? Is it... Yes, it's blessed by a Buddhist monk. Yes, I love that that is like their thing with their products. I don't know why it makes me so happy to see it. It just does though. I'm like, that's so cool. It's kind of extra, but it's really cool. I like it. So, vitamin cocktail, anyone? That Fiji Glow really hits different. Rich, luscious, and thick, electric kaolin infused with vegan collagen, vitamin C, and lychee extract brightens, tones, and lifts your skin while restoring its natural bounce. Injected with hyaluronic acid, Fiji Fuji is all about that youthful, radiant glow. It's a party in the tropics, and the vibe is Fiji chic. That is one hell of a run-on sentence. That was all one sentence. Dang. Like, you might want to, like, stop and take a breath in there. Maybe edit the format of that. Sorry, the grammar nerd in me is coming out. I'm like, whoa. That could have been written a little easier to understand, but okay. Still excited for the product, though. What are we? Ooh, we have something from NARS. Let's see. It's NARS Iconic Lipstick. It's $26. Guys. Feel free to laugh at me. We all know the joke right now. Of course I got bad reputation. Okay. God damn it. Anyway, so no rules, just lips. A new formula, dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oils enhances color vibrancy and conditions lips for radically lightweight wear and unprecedented feel. Endless artistry, infinite expression. I'm still laughing of all the shades, all the color names. Of course they gave me the Joan Jett one. Anyway, okay. Moving on. We have from Iconic London the Sheer Blush. It's $27. I'm choking on my own spit. Excuse me. So this is in Rose Riot. I want to say I have something else from them in Rose Riot too, but I don't know that it's necessarily the same product. Is it? Maybe it is. I'm gonna have to go back through my stuff and look. So I'm like, it might be, but I want to say it's something different. Let's see it. Maybe it is. Because I feel like I have seen this before. Maybe it's the same thing. I'll go back through my videos, because I almost feel like I remember reviewing this even. I don't know, but, it's good color if not. But anyway. Formulated with a unique gel to watercolor texture, this blendable and buildable blush melts right into the skin and gives you a soft lit from within flush. All of that feels like I have most definitely read those words before. I think it was even from Boxycharm. That's okay, I don't mind. When it's a good color, you know what, that's okay. And it's a cream, so creams don't have that long of a shelf life, so if I do already have it, I probably need a new one anyway. So from Patrick Ta Beauty, we have Major Glow Lip Shine in... She's expansive. I again feel like we've gotten this before, but I think I had like a sample size of it. Because I think I got this from Sephora once. Could be wrong. A universally flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine. Either I had it, or someone listed it in with something like one of those glam bag X boxes or something. No. This has definitely been a thing before. I've definitely owned this. Okay, I have a dupe. I might resell it then, because that retails for $22, so I might resell that if it's not a full size that I have. I will again double check, but I feel like I definitely own that already. That's okay, I don't mind making some money back off of eBay. They always sell. And finally, we have, where is it on here? Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with Niacinamide. This is $26. A hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow while helping brighten, plump, and smooth the rest of your skin. Let's see, is it tinted? It's in the color Golden Aura. So that would insinuate it has a color. Yeah, we were supposed to open from the top. Who cares? Ooh. Oh, look how bougie that bottle is. Like, bro. I like that. That ombre. That's beautiful. I give myself permission to glow. Oh, I like that, actually. Is there any residue? No, can't tell from that. Okay. Ooh, I'll do it this way. Ooh, okay. Okay. It's subtle, but, like, it is a little bit shimmery. Okay. Yeah, we'll play with that sometime. That's pretty, actually. Okay, let's pop that back in the box for now, though, just to keep it safe, because it is a glass bottle. The last thing I want to do is have my clumsy self accidentally drop it or something, because we know my luck. We know my luck. So, anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What would you like to see me review the most first? Let me know that, as well as anything about anything down in the comments. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.